Here are 3 AI video generation tools that were popular and offered free plans. 1. Runway ML. Runway ML is known for its user-friendly interface and a variety of AI models, including those for generating and manipulating video content. They may offer a free trial or limited free access to their platform. Be sure to check their pricing and plans for the most up-to-date information. 2. Deep Dream Generator. While it primarily started as an image generator, Deep Dream Generator had features for generating AI-enhanced video sequences. They may have offered a free version with limitations, but their pricing structure could have evolved since then. 3. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is a video creation platform that uses AI to turn text into video.